In my opinion, there is no finer third row seat premium level SUV on the road. This is Jeff with Parker Wholesale Cars in Tallassee, Alabama. Today I'd like to show you this 2025 Nissan Pathfinder SL, loaded with equipment, just like new, low miles. Around back, rear park assist sensors, ample cargo room, even with that third row seat folded up. Power lift gate, backup camera, rear wiper, rear spoiler. 18-inch alloy wheels with a great set of tires. 3 across seating in the second row. 3 more in the third row gives you an amazing grand total of 8 passenger capability. Rear heating and air controls and rear USB charging ports. It's gun metallic gray with charcoal interior. Factory roof rack, tinted windows, color keyed door handles, and color keyed mirror caps with LED turn signals. LED daytime running lights and headlights. Front park assist, front camera. It's equipped with passive keyless entry. Leather bucket seats, dual power seats, embroidered floor mats, illuminated kick plates. Power windows, power mirrors, power locks, blind spot monitor located in your rear view mirror that also comes with rear cross traffic alert. Power tailgate controls, automatic headlights, auto dimming high beam headlights, tilt and telescopic steering wheel. In the wheel, paddle shifters, audio controls, trip computer functions, Bluetooth and intelligent cruise control. Only 10,000 well cared for, 1 owner miles. Touchscreen radio, AM, FM, XM satellite, Android Auto, Apple CarPlay, factory navigation, backup camera with that really nice 360-degree around view monitor. Dual zone climate control, heated seats, driver and passenger, heated steering wheel, 12-volt outlet, wireless inductive cell phone charging, more USB ports, console shifter, electronic parking brake, keyless entry key fob, remote start, tailgate release, factory owner's manual, Carfax vehicle history report, the original window sticker, auto dimming rear view mirror, and a universal garage door opener integrated in that. If you'd like to know more about this 2025 Nissan Pathfinder SL, please give us a call, 334-283-6823. It's time you experience the Parker difference. Thanks for watching.